One, I'm talking about how the layer style stack order is working. So one thing also I can tell you, you can create multiple strokes. So I'm giving here one thing. So layer style, stroke. So what is I'm going to do? I'm changing here. You can see inside. I'll change color to something on very visible. Okay, yellow. Again, I'm going to plus button here. I'm changing color to something green, but I'm changing to outside. So now you can see that these both are stroke colors. One is inside, one is outside. So you can add multiple stroke and it is based on that it is order. Now what I'm going to do, I'm saying inner shadow. Inner shadow I'm giving not multiply normal. I'm changing color to something you can see. Okay, now you can see the inner shadow. I'll teach you the settings again. Now I am going again effects. Then I am giving color overlay. So now inner shadow is faded because color overlay is more. I am reducing the opacity. And again I am giving gradient overlay. Again I am reducing the opacity. So then only you can see that. Again I am selecting pattern overlay. So now you can see everything stack one by one by one. But you can only see when you reduce the opacity of other things. So I am going to remove these three two. Now you can see color over and pattern only. If I am do that, this one, this color overlay top on that, it is another top on that. Stroke is outside again stroke. So this is the stacking order. You need to understand you cannot apply everything. You can apply everything, but you need to reduce the opacity. Then only one or other you can do that. So this is a stacking order, and same type of effects you are creating. When you double click this here, then you can do color two color overlays. You can just press button. You can say that I need another color overlay. I'm seeing opacity is 100%, and that will not display other things below on that. So this is a way you can create multiple effects and everything. You need to basically I taken this is to understand the stacking order, how the layer styles are working. So thank you for watching. Please understand this.